from Sooner Standards, Modeling Protocols, and Packet Loss, complete grade 7 Computer Science Unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.NI.NCO.01. Students learn what a protocol is, how information is broken into packets, and how a system detects and responds when a packet is lost. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual packet loss comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric. Plus a 12-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That street for Daltons is of no prep, HQIM aligned instruction across 35 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.